Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to dive right into integrating Trello with teamwork.com, a process that will help streamline your project management. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Teamwork account. Make sure you have administrative access, as this is crucial for integration. This is our first step because teamwork.com is where we will be connecting Trello, essentially making it our command center. Next, navigate to the Integrations section found in the Settings menu. Here, you'll find a Trello option. This is where teamwork.com houses all of its potential integrations, making it a one-stop shop for enhancing your project management capabilities. Now that we've found that, go ahead and click on the Enable button next to Trello. The reason we do this is to activate the connection between the two platforms. This essentially opens up a line of communication between Trello and teamwork.com. After enabling, you'll be prompted to input your Trello credentials. This helps us because it verifies the account you want to integrate, ensuring that the right data is being synced. Once you've input your information, click Authorize. The final step is to choose the Trello boards you want to integrate. This is crucial because not all boards may be relevant to your teamwork.com projects. So, select your desired boards and click Integrate. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Trello with teamwork.com. This process will allow you to manage your Trello boards directly from teamwork.com, making your project management more efficient. Remember, integrating tools like these help in creating a seamless workflow, saving time and effort. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.